Okay, you can push documents from your Google Drive straight into Explain Everything. Works the same way as OneDrive. So I'm going to open Drive. I've got some documents here, some keynotes. So if I choose a keynote, copy of Thomas Coates CPD. So I click on there, click on the meatballs, click Open In, allow it to download. Depending on the size of the document, it takes a while to download. I think this is quite a big one. So you can see then that Explain Everything is in my list of apps at the top. It's right at the beginning. But if you find that yours isn't there, just scroll along to the end, click More, and then scroll down and you'll see Explain Everything there. You then get the option, obviously it calculates what we've got. It's quite a long presentation again, but it gives me the option to insert as separate slides. So I could insert as separate slides. I could then change to presenter view, and then I'm presenting that on the screen. There's my laser pointer. Okay, I can use my pointer in there if I wanted to. I could change it to a lightsaber. Woo! Lovely. And I can move the slides forward by pressing the forward and backwards buttons. Okay. Suppose the difference would be on this is that if you've got any fancy animation in your PowerPoints, they're not going to be there. You're literally going to get your slide builds, but you have the ability then to take your pencil and draw on to the slide. Okay, and when you're done, you're done. So you can come out of presenter mode, go to standard, press projects, it will save your work, and you're done.